Red-framed spectacles matched her red trench coat. No one can dispute her gender. With the pose of a real lady, she follows the proceedings at Milimani Law Courts. Meet 26-year-old Audrey Mbugua, who until 3 years ago was Andrew Mbugua. Under unexplained circumstances, Audrey changed her identity from that of a man to that of a woman. She was in court to compel the Kenyan National Examinations Council to change the name of a certificate from Andrew Mbugua to Audrey Mbugua. According to Audrey, the name Andrew on her certificates has made her lose out on a lot of jobs.
I think that's enough.
Her characteristic, physique, and the way she carries herself casts no doubt on her gender, just as she wants it. But why exactly will one go all the way to do such?
Why not?
Just give us the genesis of the case.
You know about it. Talk to my advocate.
Failure to cope. And failure to cope can mean so many different things, that sometimes you're unable to cope with your life as the gender that you are now, or you are unable to cope with being who you are as a person regardless of your gender. And generally speaking, when you fail to cope, you always look for an alternative. And the only way to survive that alternative is to do a drastic thing like changing your persona.
Audrey's case is not the first and may definitely not be the last. Photos from his childhood show Shaz Bono as a bright-eyed blonde girl, a stark contrast to the burly, bearded, tattooed bloke he is today. The only child of pop duo Cher and the late Sonny Bono, Shaz was born female and originally known as Chastity. 3 years ago, he had his breasts removed. He gives himself a daily shot of testosterone. Another shocking case is that of Thomas Beatty. He was born a woman named Tracy Lagondino in Hawaii in 1974, but always wanted to be like a man. According to Ouko, disappointments from persons from a particular gender, gender hatred, and gender envy may also lead to such behavior. Sex change? Now that is a new term, if not a taboo topic in Kenya. But the subject burst into the Nairobi courtrooms in form of Audrey, Andrew, or is it Audrey? Masi Juma, NTV, Nairobi.